Hey everybody, this is Charles of First Auto Credit and Paddle King Boats. I wanted to do kind of a quick short tutorial of how to swap out your tops. Say you have a Bimini top that's damaged or you want a different color. In this case, we had a customer that ordered a red boat. They had our last 19 old body style boat that they purchased and they wanted a red top with it. So we had a red top custom made for them. And I'll show you here to begin the process. We have 3 zips on each of the railings, and then I have buttons on the forward railing and the aft railing. So I'll start with taking these buttons off, unzip the first rail, second rail unzip, and then the last rail unzips as well. Button here in the corner, button here in the corner. It's a matter of slipping it off. The mooring light, and it's as simple as that to get your old Bimini top on. When you guys come back, I'll have the red top already started and fed on, and we'll reverse the process. All right, we're back. I have the new red material, the red Bimini top, installed. The only thing that I have as a word of caution is make sure that you have your bars separated correct and feed it correctly. The hardest part of this is fighting the wind, but we'll just go ahead and zip it up. That's our front, our middle, and then our back, our aft one, is already there. And in the next shot, I'll show you guys this thing displayed, already put out. Well, thanks for watching. This is our how to replace a Bimini top video. I'd like to thank the Thompsons for purchasing this boat. And if you have any questions on purchasing a different color or replacing an old Bimini top, give me a call at 204-7777 or email me at charles@firstautocredit.com for pricing information. Thank you, and y'all have a good evening.